Hello, I thought I would do a quick time-lapse video for this sketch that I was doing for my Umbria workshop in October. And if you're interested in the workshop, there are some spaces still left, and those spaces are going quick, so I hope you'll consider joining me, and we can paint on location and just experience the beautiful towns and all of the fabulous food in Umbria, Italy. And so this sketch is of a town called Rasiglia, and apparently it's like considered a little Venice because of all the water and the waterways that are in this town. And I love to paint water, so I thought I would do a study and just kind of walk you through the process. And this is similar to what we would be doing during the workshop, where we might go do studies, where I've got a little black and white sketch to the right in the video, and then come back and maybe work on a bigger painting in the studio at the Romita School. And so I started in the background with the sky on this one using cerulean and some cobalt, and did wet on wet skies, so I have some clouds in there, and then went to the background foliage and got a soft edge in that area because the sky was still damp. Now this image does have a waterfall in it, and so I started next with that waterfall area just to make sure that I remembered to keep some of those areas in that white, and then I went to do the bigger shapes. And so in general, when you're trying to do a faster sketch or a sketch on location, you want to think about the bigger shapes and can you combine the values and make one big shape from it. And so then right now I'm going back and adding some darks around the waterfall again to sort of refine, make sure that I'm not losing that area, and then also it helps me judge my values as I go on. In the bottom of the water area, there was some turquoisey colors, so I used some phthalo blue and I believe some quin gold in that area. And I painted the kind of the water splash as it's coming down wet on wet. And now I'm going back and I'm adding some darker values. This building was definitely in shadow and more on the golden side of the color, and so I wanted to make sure I increased that, and I used quin gold and quin rose for that building, and I think some ultramarine mixed in with some of that. The foliage in the scene was a really nice contrast to those warmer colors, and so those greens were nice to have in there, and yeah, just kind of led the eye down around the waterfall. And so I'm getting that in. And this whole painting was about a little over an hour to do the drawing and the painting, and just a nice quick sketch. I do like the Lucchetti sketchbook. This is hot press paper. It has a little bit of a flatter look to it, compared, or smoother, I guess I should say, not flatter, but smoother than the paint has a smoother look compared to if it were on cold press paper. This is a double spread that I'm doing here, and so I've got it open in the middle, and it's got a little bit of a groove there for the center line, but it's not bad, and it lays flat very nicely. And then I'm coming back and adding some of those darker values around the roof lines. And again, that's helping me see the values of the buildings themselves. And now I'm starting to put in some of the detail and kind of finalizing some of those areas. And this is the, kind of the way we might work when we're in Italy. So we would go on location to the different towns that we will visit for this workshop, and we get to explore and take photos and do sketches, and then we can come back to the Romita School, and we will have time to refine the sketches and possibly do larger paintings, or just work in your sketchbook and do more scenes in your sketchbook. And now I'm starting to get some more texture on the walls of the buildings and adding in some of the foliage and the shadows. And the school is the venue where you will stay, and we would have meals together, and we'd get to visit and work together and go explore all of the different towns of the Umbria area that are part of this workshop. And getting toward the end, and if you are interested in possibly joining me for this workshop, there are still some spaces left. As I mentioned, the information is on my website, and I hope you'll check it out and possibly join me for a fabulous time in Umbria, Italy in October and November, actually. So I hope to see you there.